Guys, today I want to talk about honesty. When we talk about honesty, what am I talking about? Honesty in general terms is truthfulness. Yes, truthfulness. We need to be honest in all our doings. We need to be honest in our relationship. We need honesty in our workplace. We need honesty at our job place. We need honesty in our daily lives. We need honesty in our business. So, honesty is one of the key components that every successful person or every wealthy person derive his wealth or his business depends on it. With honesty, your client will understand you. With honesty, your customers will introduce you to new customers because of your honesty. I want to share one story with you. The reason why today I'm making this video. There is a guy who worked with one rich man or one wealthy man. He worked with this man with all his heart. He was very truthful and honest to this particular man. So when the man got sick. So when the man was about to die, he called all his family members and he called all his lawyers, and he called that worker or that his servant. He called this guy also to be part of the meeting. So in the meeting, the man made the lawyer read the will, and in the will, this man has divided his business into two and has given one portion of the business to this servant. But what the man said was, I'm giving you this asset, or I'm giving you this portion of my wealth, not because you are handsome, not because you are wealthy, not because you are strong, not because you are hardworking, but I'm giving you this because of your honesty. Yes, I'm giving you this because of your honesty. The man described that he is not giving this particular portion of the property to the guy because of the guy's hardworking or anything, or the long time he has served him, but he's giving this to the guy because of his honesty. And the man stretched the conversation that he tested the guy in so many ways, and the guy stand truthful and honest, and the guy didn't fall into all those traps. Since that time, he developed a heart that when he's no more or he's not there, when he give or he want to find somebody to replace him in that particular business, he will give that particular position to that guy. And because of that, he has decided to divide the portion of the business to the guy to handle. So this guy didn't achieve this wealth because of hard work, because of smartness, because of anything. He achieved that wealth because of honesty. If you are not honest in your dealings, nobody will trust you. If you are not honest in your speech, nobody will believe you. Anything you do, if there is no a little truth or there's no a little commitment of honest in it, nobody will believe it. So this is what I decided to share with you. We all need to be honest in our dealing. Even criminals, they need honest people. Yes, even thieves, they need honest people. If you are not honest Armed robber will never take you as a friend, or armed robber will never add you to their gang. If you are not honest, politicians will never move with you. If you are not honest, your relationship will never last long. Please, honesty is one of the components, one of the assets we need to acquire in our life. Honesty brings dignity. Honesty will bring you dignity. If you are honest and somebody want to put something on you, or you are in trouble, honesty can take you out of the trouble. It is very, 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 very important thing that we don't actually pay much attention to. We don't pay much attention to, but it is one of the key factors to grow a business, or to help you achieve a better height in success. So, how do we train ourselves to become honest? There are some few steps I would like to share. How do we do it? First, you need to practice what is called truthfulness. How do you practice truthfulness? You judge things according to how it is, or you look at things exactly as they are. When it is white, you say white. When it is yellow, you say yellow. Let it be part of your daily life. See yourself as when we're about to say something against somebody, see yourself in that position. When you want to say something, let's say somebody, you want to say something, you want to go behind somebody to say something, put yourself in that condition first. Always see yourself that when you lie, when you say anything lie, you first lie to yourself. That is number one. See yourself that when you speak truth, the thing first affects you before it affects others. That is the first approach to become truthful and honest. First, be honest to your own self. Be truthful to your own self. So, by doing that, you will develop the habit of avoiding to commit such harm to your own self. Because you see yourself that when you say anything bad, or when you do anything wrong, it affects you directly. Then you don't have to keep on doing those things. So in doing that, you develop that mentality of honesty. And in workplace, never see yourself as I'm just looking for the money. I'm just working for the money. I'm just this and that. If you put such attitude at work, you see you create an environment that it doesn't concern you, like you don't care about the business. If you practice such behavior, it will never bring the best in you. It will never bring the honesty in you out. So when you are at your workplace, see the work as your own. Commit your time to it. The necessary strength you have, try to do your part in a clean heart. Don't try to put yourself in the corner of finding the money. So in any way the company goes, it doesn't affect you. See yourself as the company. So when you are about to do anything wrong to it, you feel it in yourself. That is another way. Another thing I'll add is, when somebody tell you something about another person, pay particular attention to the conversation and ask necessary questions before you pass your judgment. Listen to conversation critically. Listen to it critically and sit down and analyze the speech or the statement before you make your final conclusion or your final judgment. With this, you can get the best answer for it, and it will help you to stay honest. So, don't be in a rush of judging anything. Stay focused and stay positive. Don't forget, if you want to say anything against anybody or you want to do anything against anybody, first put yourself in that position. This will help you to get the better way of practicing honesty. Always see yourself as the problem and see yourself also as the solution. So, this is a few things I like to share. Honesty is the key to success. Honesty is crucial in dealing with anything. Everybody needs honest people around them. So let's try as much as possible to practice honesty. To practice honesty. See yourself that when you lie against yourself. When you speak the truth, you speak for your own self. In this doing, you will develop the habit of honesty, and people will say that this guy is very, very honest. When he promises you anything, he will do it. When he say anything, he will do it. Try to fulfill your promises. It's also another key. Try to fulfill your promises. Don't make promises that will be beyond you. Don't make promises that will go beyond your limits. Always try to make promises within your own limit. In this doing, you can fulfill such particular promise, and your opponent or the opposition will see you as a honest person. So, this is few things I have for you. It needs practicals. It needs steady practice for you to acquire this gift called honesty. Don't forget, even thieves, criminals, they need honest people. Thank you for spending time with me. If today is your first time watching me, please like, share, and comment. You can follow me on Facebook, Samuel Digital. You can also follow me on YouTube, SDM Natural Remedies. So thank you for spending time with me. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe to motivate me to do more. Thank you, and see you next time.